Hey, welcome back to hopefully the last part. No, this won't be the last part. I'll do the radiator separately. But this will be it for the suspension. We're going to get everything in today. We've got the rack and pinion finished in the last video. I've got all the other parts, which is two control arms, 1, 2, 4 tie rod ends, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to reuse the boots because they're not ripped. They still seem pretty pliable. Well, let's get to it. You gonna do that? Really? So I don't know. Okay. Now we can aim it for this opening. That. Push this guy in. Ooh. What? Who put that bolt there? Don't touch all the grease, that's gross. Oh, there it goes. Ooh. Yeah. That was way easier going in than out. That's definitely the way to do it. Start with this bolt first, the driver's side, because we gotta wiggle it around away from the AC compressor in order to get it started. Then you can bring it over the hole. Wherever that might be.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
I was going to replace the shock bushings here, but they're just not available from anyone. And seeing as how they're pretty new, it's funny, they've almost kind of gone back in place since there's no load on them. But look, now there's a gap above the center housing. So these, yeah, unfortunately, well, but we know we will just want to get her back on the road for now. They're not falling out. They're still there. Car's gonna ride a centimeter lower than usual. She's gonna need an alignment anyway, and the axle seals aren't important right now either. We just need to get her on the road, and maybe, you know, next paycheck or something we can do all those other things like the links too. We're not gonna worry about the links. There's no slop in them when you slap them around, even though the boots are blown, but there's still plenty of fresh grease hanging out, so we're just gonna let those slide for now. Just want to get her back on the road. You know, have to put a ton of money into this already. There's one other thing, I gotta get a clamp for that. I'll just use a normal clamp. It's just a dust boot. After we finish up the suspension, we'll go ahead and get the radiator done. Well, since we had to drop the oil filter, we're going to go ahead and throw a new one on and do an oil change too. Let's get it started.